easiest way to create paper fold-out animations, and it's free. Open your phone's browser and go to paperanimator.com. Sign in with your Google account. Once done, tap on the upload icon and select the image you want to animate. Images with no background are commonly used for this effect, but it's all up to you. Now tap on Use Image. You should see something like this. You can then change the animation settings at the bottom based on your preference. In this example, I'll increase the size to 90. Play around the edge thickness and intensity. You also have other settings here that you can adjust based on your liking. Now tap on the fold out button to apply the fold out animation. Next, tap on the green bucket to apply the green screen. Once done, tap on the download button and select export as video. Now to use this, open up CapCut. Let's say this is your working project and you want to use the fold out animation you just did. All you have to do is to tap on overlay, add overlay, and select the paper animation video we just downloaded. Now with the green screen track selected, look for remove BG at the bottom. Select chroma key. Move the color picker to the green area. Adjust the intensity and shadow to 100 and hit check. Add some sound effects, export, and here's your final output. Follow for more.